Welcome to a new video on your channel, Minds That Made History. Today, we will talk about one of the greatest minds in history, the German-American physicist Albert Einstein. This genius changed our understanding of the universe and left an unforgettable mark on modern science. Stay tuned to discover the story of this man who made science an exciting adventure. Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, in the city of Ulm, Germany. From a young age, Einstein was not an ordinary child. It is said that he did not start speaking until the age of 4, which worried his parents. However, at an early age, he showed a deep interest in science and mathematics. In a famous incident, his father gave him a magnetic compass when he was 5 years old. This compass sparked his curiosity about the invisible forces that govern the world and marked the beginning of his passion for science. Einstein also enjoyed playing the violin, which remained a lifelong hobby. His mother, an accomplished pianist, encouraged his musical development. This blend of science and art shaped his unique perspective on life. Einstein was not a stellar student in traditional school settings. He found the rigid educational system boring. However, he continued to develop his knowledge independently, reading books on mathematics and physics with the support of his family. In 1896, he enrolled at the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology in Zurich, where he studied physics and mathematics. Despite some academic challenges, he graduated in 1900 but struggled to find a job in academia. During this period, Einstein wrote letters to his close friend Michel Bessot, sharing his frustrations and ideas. Einstein worked at the Swiss Patent Office in Bern. This job gave him time to think and conduct his own research. While examining patent applications, he learned about various technical innovations, which inspired his scientific imagination. In 1905, a year known as Einstein's miracle year, he published 4 groundbreaking papers that changed the course of physics. Among them was his special theory of relativity, which introduced a new concept of time and space. One of his most famous equations from this theory is, this equation means that energy equals mass multiplied by the square of the speed of light, proving that mass and energy are interchangeable. The implications of this equation were profound, influencing both scientific research and technological advancements. Einstein's work faced skepticism initially, but it gradually gained acceptance as experiments confirmed his predictions. His ability to simplify complex ideas into elegant theories earned him widespread admiration. Einstein did not stop at the special theory of relativity. In 1915, he presented his general theory of relativity, which revolutionized our understanding of gravity. This theory explained that gravity is not merely a force but rather a curvature in space and time caused by mass and energy. The theory was confirmed in 1919 when astronomers observed the bending of starlight during a solar eclipse. This made Einstein an international celebrity and solidified his reputation as a scientific pioneer. The public fascination with Einstein grew, and he became a symbol of intellectual achievement. With his growing fame, Einstein became a sought-after lecturer worldwide. He delivered speeches in Europe, America, and Asia, sharing his insights about the universe and inspiring both scientists and students alike. During this period, Einstein also began using his fame to speak out on social and political issues. He advocated for disarmament and global peace and was an outspoken critic of nationalism and racial discrimination. In 1921, Einstein was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics, not for his theories of relativity but for his explanation of the photoelectric effect. This discovery played a crucial role in the development of quantum mechanics. Despite the immense significance of his general theory of relativity, its applications were not confined to scientific circles. The theory became fundamental to our understanding of the universe, helping explain cosmic phenomena such as black holes and the expansion of the universe. Today, general relativity is a cornerstone of modern astronomy. The theory also demonstrated how time and space could be affected by gravity, opening doors to a deeper understanding of the universe. These ideas later evolved to form the basis of modern astrophysics studies, including the development of technologies such as global positioning systems, GPS. The general theory of relativity represents the convergence of Einstein's profound vision of the universe and his ability to integrate complex physical and mathematical concepts into a unified framework. This achievement crowned Einstein's enduring quest to understand the universe comprehensively. In addition to the experimental confirmation of general relativity in 1919, its applications continued to bring revolutionary changes to our understanding of the universe. For instance, the theory allowed for the explanation of black holes, regions of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. It also helped understand the expansion of the universe, which was later confirmed by Edwin Hubble's discoveries. The theory was not merely a scientific achievement, it represented a paradigm shift in how scientists thought about nature. It provided a new framework for integrating time and space into a single entity called spacetime, leading to the birth of modern cosmology. Moreover, the theory inspired generations of physicists to continue exploring the mysteries of the universe. Through its applications in modern technology, such as GPS systems, general relativity has proven its practical significance in our daily lives. In his later years, Albert Einstein lived in Princeton, New Jersey, where he worked as a professor at the Institute for Advanced Study. Einstein continued researching and writing until his final days, focusing his efforts on trying to unify the fundamental forces of physics into a comprehensive theory known as the theory of everything. Despite his extensive efforts, this theory remained incomplete during his lifetime. In 1952, Einstein was offered the position of President of Israel, but he declined, preferring to focus on scientific research and humanitarian causes. He justified his decision by stating that he lacked the skills necessary for political administration, despite his outspoken support for Jewish and humanitarian causes. Throughout his later years, Einstein was a strong advocate for global peace and nuclear disarmament. He participated in international movements calling for an end to the nuclear arms race, especially after the devastation caused by the atomic bombings in Japan. He expressed regret for his indirect role in the development of the atomic bomb, having been one of the signatories of a letter to U.S. President Franklin Roosevelt warning of Germany's potential to develop nuclear weapons. On April 18, 1955, Albert Einstein passed away at the age of 76 due to an aortic aneurysm. He left behind an unparalleled scientific legacy, with his theories serving as the cornerstone for many modern scientific discoveries. Even after his death, his research continues to inspire scientists worldwide. Einstein's scientific legacy is evident in the technological applications we benefit from today, from GPS systems based on his theory of relativity to nuclear energy technologies. His theories also contributed to the advancement of fields such as particle physics and astronomy. Albert Einstein's life has inspired generations of scientists and thinkers worldwide. His relentless passion for research and discovery, along with his humanitarian stances, made him a global symbol of genius and dedication. His name will forever be associated with scientific innovation and the quest to understand the mysteries of the universe. Albert Einstein was not just a physicist, he was a symbol of creative and humanitarian thinking. His scientific legacy extends beyond equations and theories, inspiring millions to dream and innovate. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to follow more stories about minds that made history.